Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a direct and indirect proportion question. I'm going to dive straight into it. So they've said to us the length of a side of a square in centimeters is 2, 3, and 4, and the area of the square in centimeters squared is obviously 4, 9, and 16. They've then said to us, is this an example of direct or indirect proportion, and we should give a reason for our answer. Now when it comes to a direct and indirect proportion question, we need to use our x and y's to see whether or not there is a constant ratio between x and y. So what we would do is, in this case, our x is going to be the length of the side and our y is going to be the area of the square. Okay, because the input is our length of the square and our output, which results, is our area. Right. Now let's try and figure out whether or not there is a constant k. So a constant ratio. To do this, we're going to put y over x for each of them. So y over x, we're going to have 4 over 2. Okay. Then we're going to have 9 over 3. And then we're going to have 16 over 4. Now 4 over 2 equals 2. 9 over 3 equals 3. And 16 over 4 equals 4, which means that they do not equal each other, so there is no constant k. So that means, therefore, that this is an example of indirect proportion, as there is no constant k. Done and dusted. Thanks so much to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.